Close my eyes and I can see you smile. You reach out for my hand and I'm walking from my dream. Although your heart is mine, it's hollow inside. I never had your love and I never will. And every night I've never felt this way, to be so in love, to have someone there. You feel so alone. Aren't you supposed to be the one to wipe my tears, the one to say that you would never leave? Is a memory that only exists